CZAR KAISER.
Hey guys, it's your boy CZAR KAISER, and today I'm going to give a quick review on the new 2020 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally Edition. The Rally Edition is a special edition of the standard Tenere 700. It's inspired by the factory bikes that Yamaha raced in the Dakar rallies of 1983 and 1984. This bike comes with a price tag of €11,430 and features a blue, black, and yellow color scheme with speedblock graphics and gold wheels. With its premium components and pure Ténéré DNA, the Rally Edition is Yamaha's ultimate middleweight adventure bike. It has a top speed of approximately 120 miles per hour and packs several upgrades over the standard model. There's a lot to learn about this bike, but before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the new 700 Rally Edition. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content, and definitely check out my online store where you could buy some cool motorcycle accessories and apparel. Also, if you like motorcycle commercials, be sure to stick around to the end of this video and watch the official commercial for the new Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally Edition. It's an awesome video and it's something you definitely don't want to miss. Alright, so yeah, let's get right back into it. The Tenere 700 Rally Edition weighs 204 kilograms and has a compact wheelbase of 159 centimeters. It has an increased seat height of 895 millimeters and a ground clearance of 240 millimeters. This bike comes with a large fuel tank capacity of 16 liters and a fuel economy of approximately 40 miles per gallon. The Rally Edition is designed to be the ultimate dual-purpose motorcycle. The dedicated one-piece rally seat offers a slightly higher and straighter riding position for easier body movement and more comfort for long adventures. The off-road handlebar grips are designed to work in dusty or muddy conditions, and the special rubber fuel tank grip pads are designed to provide maximum knee grip during stand-up riding. The Rally Edition adds extra protection where you need it most to make the bike even more off-road ready. The heavy-duty aluminum skid plate offers extra protection for the engine and frame during challenging off-road trips. And the durable aluminum chain cover and radiator cover have a compact and lightweight design that protects the radiator and chain from small stones and twigs. This bike also comes equipped with sleek LED blinkers and a sweet-looking Akrapovic slip-on exhaust that's fitted with carbon heat shields and a non-removable BB killer. This bike offers good rider protection. The combination of a flat seat with a compact body and narrow fuel tank gives an ergonomic riding position, and the large windscreen, tough handguards, and lightweight front fairings protect you from different weather conditions to make the longest ride even more enjoyable and relaxing. The Rally Edition is powered by a 689cc liquid-cooled twin-cylinder 4-stroke engine that puts out 74 horsepower and 68 newton-meters of torque. This bike is fuel-injected and mated to a 6-speed transmission gearbox. Suspension on this bike is handled by a 43mm inverted telescopic front fork that provides 8.2 inches of front suspension travel. And at the back is a swing arm with a rear shock absorber that provides 7.8 inches of rear suspension travel. The 700 Rally Edition comes equipped with wire-spoked wheels that are 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the back. These wheels are fitted with Apparel Scorpion rally tires for excellent durability and long-distance travel. The braking system on this bike is handled by ABS, and 282mm dual hydraulic disc brakes at the front and a single 245mm disc brake at the back. The Tenere 700 is a go-anywhere type of motorcycle that enables you to live life without limits and experience a new feeling of total freedom. It looks totally awesome with its blue retro graphics, and the engine and powertrain are better protected for off-road adventures. So yeah, that's about it for the new 2020 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally Edition. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the bike. Do Do you like the new style and design? Do you think the Ténéré 700 is the ultimate adventure bike? Let me know your thoughts down below. I respond to every comment, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.
Keep tight, with designing written flat.
7825, code 6, 105%.
CZAR Kaiser.